Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to generate images using Perplexity AI. First, open your favorite browser and go to the Perplexity AI website. Once you're there, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a place where you can ask the AI anything. This is where you type your image prompt. For example, type in a guy in a car and press enter. The AI will process your request and show results. On the left side, you'll see the usual AI-generated text response related to your prompt. But what's interesting is on the right side here. Perplexity AI shows image related to your prompt. Important note, these images are actually stock photos not generated by AI, but they match closely with what you typed. If you want unique AI-generated images, there's an extra step. You need to click on the Generate Image button, but here's the catch. This feature is only available for paid subscribers of Perplexity AI. Without a subscription, you won't get unique images, just the stock photos. So to sum up, with Perplexity AI, you can easily get relevant images right away, and if you want exclusive AI-generated images, you'll need to subscribe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides on AI tools and softwares. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.